Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back again. Yeah, stopping by you. To old and new subscribers, God bless you. Thank you so much. Today I'm back with another video. This is just a juice. Yes, we need to be drinking all the time, and I want to show you some of the benefits and why you must take this beetroot and ginger. Yeah, so it helps to keep blood pressures in check. It improves athletic performance. It helps to fight inflammation. It improves digestive health. It helps to support brain health. It has some anti-cancer properties. It helps in losing weight. So guys, this is the benefit of the beetroot, some of them. And also the benefit of ginger. It relieves stomach issues, diarrhea. It relieves muscle and joint pains. Is good for treatment of cold and flu. It relieves menstrual cramp. It can be used for treatment of skin burns. It lowers blood pressure, guys. It reduces cancer risk. So this is the reason why you must always take this juice. It's very, very important. So as you can see, I've already washed them and cut the ginger. Now I'm about to blend them. This is how I do it. Just watch what I am doing. It's very easy to prepare. Introduce it to your family. After dinner, you take it as the juice. Instead of taking all the juice we are buying, you can prepare this for your family. Yes, sometimes the children say no, but at least you force them. As a good mother, you tell them the benefits so that they can be able to take it. Yeah, if they can take their medicine, if they can take paracetamol, this one they can take it. Okay, it's not bitter, it's sweet. So this is how I made it. I cut it into pieces. Okay, so the ginger, I've already washed and cut it, as you can see. Very, very, very easy, and it has a lot of benefit. That is the thing. It's very nutritious. You see that beetroot, you can use it as part of your salad. After cutting your salad, you can add it. Yeah, but for juice, you grind it to get the juice out of it. I added lemon. If you're having menstrual cramps, it's very good to treat it. It relieves the pains, okay? Especially the beetroot. So you see the water I added is at the level of my fruits. You can see it. So we don't need much water. See the color popping. Wow, this is blood tonic. So after blending it, this is how I strain it. Okay, guys, I've seen a lot of benefit on this. That is why I decided to share it with my farms. Okay, so it's good. If you notice something good, you share it with your family. Yeah, just take it easy. I use the spoon so that I can be able to push it down. Yeah, gradually. You continue until the juice stops coming out, okay? You need patience to get all the juice out. So that is it. It is okay now. You can see the juice. Try this, okay? Don't just wash, try it. It helps you and your family. So this is it. If you like, you can put it in the fridge to chill it. But me, I don't want it cold. We're already feeling cold here. Thanks for coming and thanks for watching. Yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe. Till I see you next time. Bye.